Hello, good evening, guys. So today, let me show you the waterfall. Okay, this is this waterfall is located in the boundary. Okay, exact boundary, and the waterfall is what a beautiful, nice to look. And this waterfall from my house to this waterfall distance is maybe 1 kilometer. So both of us we are coming here with food. So now time is 3:30. So let me show you the beautiful waterfall which is located in Chilang. Here is my younger brother who never take bath. So this is a village life, okay? And especially in our home, there is, I mean, yeah,
I'm fine.
especially especially at my village, we have only two houses. So, so just because of that, there is no light and there is no network. Maybe other people they are aware of this, and we can see from here the waterfall. Let me show you. That is the waterfall. We are about to reach waterfall, and I still remember, like maybe last year, I guess, yeah. From here, a ghost was chasing me from here to till my village. Okay, 1 kilometer. During those time, the road was not that much good comparing to now. And this is a camp, but no one staying here anymore. Abandoned house are there. Do you want to say something?
No.
Even my younger brother, he's very well in speaking English. Like even though we don't speak gradually, but he's very good in communication. Even me, I'm not that much good, but I try to improve my English communication skill. Whenever I speak, I feel like I'm reading. So just because of that, I choose a YouTube channel to improve my communication skill. But when I at my hometown, I really feel shy to speak in front of others because maybe they think that I'm like doing over smart, studying in another place and in front of others speaking English. So because of those mindset, I never speak English. I really feel shy, but I really want to improve. So here's my brother, and sometimes both of us we used to speak, communicate each other, and I used to learn from him, and he used to learn from me. There is some words we don't use much, but through communicating each other, we learn about that. So what was how was your experience of visiting cave?
That was very scary.
Okay, moreover.
Last time when I went there,
Okay.
there is so many beds, but today I see only one.
Okay.
That is very shocking. Maybe it's because of increasing hunters in our nearby villages.
Okay.
That may be the reason.
Yeah.
For them to migrate other caves. Other caves.
Okay.
Yeah.
He said that last time he went there. Okay. Maybe you seen my video in an video in cave. Okay, there is last year he went there, and there was many beds was there. Bed means chamkadar. Okay, you know. Chamkadar. We are not that much good in communication pronunciations. And now we go from here. This is the starting point, and even the road is not that much good, but and even our dressing, we are a poor middle class family, we never care about dressing. You can see here road. I used to, even me, this is my first time to visiting here, because I mostly stay in Manipur, so I don't used to come here. But when other people are continuously uploading in Facebook, I come to know that in our place they are making a way to reach the place where waterfall is. So guys, you can see here, this is a small river which is coming from waterfall, and this is the place. And I want to say my classmates and those from Manipur, especially Worsham, Martins and many others, please come and visit our place, especially Arunachal. If you come here, don't ever think about the food, rice expenditure, all those kind. I'm here for you, brother. Okay? And this is the step. Oof.
This is my second time here.
Okay. My younger brother, he already came here 2 times. Are? This is the hanging bridge. Oi! Very nice, huh? I didn't expect that here is one bridge. Ah, yeah. So beautiful. Look. Chalo. What a nice place. And you can see here we have a temple, and even though we are Mishmi peoples, we are indigenous, but we respect each god. Thus you can see here good example. Even though we are not a Hindus, but we used to keep here money for our god. This money we can take it, but we should not use for our like personal. We can buy some agarbatti and candle, we can keep here, and I think we can give to the poor peoples who doesn't have enough food. I think this is not the good way of keeping here money. I really want to take it, guys. What do you say? Here is lots of money by, there is a charity, kind of charity, but why they are keeping here instead of giving others? Look, money is everywhere. So later on I will take it and I will keep it in another temple, because here no one is there and here money is just like wasting, huh? So instead of keeping here, let me give, or let me keep in another temple house. So don't mind, okay? I will take it later. I will make video. I don't know you guys understanding or not whatever I'm speaking. How many minutes it will take time? My brother,
What?
how many minutes it will take time?
Take time?
Huh? How many minutes it will take time to reach there?
Okay. I guess 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
And you can see air is blowing. We are just about to reach there. When I will go back, I will keep it in a safety place, okay? Oh, about to reach waterfall. Let's. बहुत दूर है क्या बेबी? अरे दिमाग खराब है हो बेबी, बहुत दूर है, माथा गरम हो गया। अरे अरे अच्छा, तो हम लोग वहाँ से देखेगा ना? अरे that means before you reach here you have to cross two bridges, okay? One is below there and another is, let me show you guys here. Woo! So another bridge is here.
This one is bit longer.
Yeah. Before bridge was smaller than this bridge.
I don't know why people throw these bottles there. It's very bad now.
Okay. This is the second bridge. Second bridge. And this is the waterfall. Woo! You can see here. Big waterfall. Now guys, when you reach second bridge, then just think that you have reached, okay? So in order to see this waterfall, we have to go this side. We have to go this side and we have to reach there. And we can see this clearly. So let's go. Let me show you guys from very near, okay? It's little bit far from that. It is a bit far. Oh!
What a nice view.
There's zero complaint about the nature beauty, okay? In order to reach a beautiful place, we have to give our effort. Just like me. I'm tired now. just to see waterfall. Most of the people, they're keeping status like this waterfall is just nearby breeze, but actually it's not like that. It's very far from the road, and I just want to say, those people whoever have been visiting here, please keep throwing like this, okay? You can see everywhere plastic. Here, here, here. So keep on throwing this plastic so that the place will be become dirty, na? Most of the people, those whoever visiting here, I know they are educated person, but they are tired of carrying all those. At least keep it in one place, and when you visit next time here again, you can burn it. Or if you are really worried about your state or country or your district, you should not throw the plastic everywhere. We should really concern about the nature. The small egg can change the world. Ah! Woo! अरे यार, I just want to say, waterfall is quite beautiful, but I'm very tired. I didn't even expect that in order to reach the waterfall place, this will be that much far. I'm tired right now. You can see here, road is there, very far. I think almost about to reach, I guess. I can hear the sound. Yeah, here again. Let it be. I don't want to talk about that. People will complain this and that. Yeah. Before I reaching here, look, the good example. This. What is this? Look here. At least someone is trying to burn it. That is a very good sign. But what can I say now? Absolutely, there is no complaint about the waterfall, okay? You can see here. Ta-da! We were Shokidara Utsara. Yeah. A beautiful scenario. What is this? Is it wood or? Before I was thinking that there is wood, okay, but not wood, yeah. Maybe cement. Very nice. Decoration is quite good. The beautiful view you can see from here. We were another waterfall. About the view, there is no complaint. You can see from here. I am tired, very tired right now. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल जगह है, आप लोग आइएगा, विजिट कीजिएगा. पर जो भी आता है प्लीज़ अपना प्लास्टिक अपना बैग में डाल के घुसेगा. प्लेस तो बहुत अच्छा है, बाद में फिर हम सोचता कि हम अकेला फेंक रहा है, पर वैसे सोच के अभी बहुत सारा भर्ती हो चुका है यहाँ पे. It's already full. Beautiful scenario.